For those who like the fun of creating something from scratch, you can start with a proof of concept smartwatch at home. The technology for a home-based smartwatch is available and accessible by simply buying the components online or from nearby electronics component stores. The process may be intimidating for starters, and this is the reason for me to create a simple guide to help those get over the initial barrier. The smartwatch is an evolutionary step toward a digitalist world, with many functions being digitalist and stored on the cloud to provide a mobility solution based on sensory collection from the watch. The benefits come in the form of sleep tracking, sports, directional guide, and health tracking. Let me show you the completed proof of concept smartwatch. As you see, we can have a series of programs uploaded to the watch based on our definition of the user journey. This is purely based on your imagination. As this is a proof of concept, let us keep this simple. To build a smartwatch, we need to have the following components: microcontroller unit, jumper wire, data cable, breadboard, a laptop with Arduino software downloaded. The microcontroller unit that I am using is XIO ESP32C3. This microcontroller unit is small but capable of processing many functions, including passing the sensory data to the cloud. For this, I prefer to use this microcontroller unit over the ESP32. You can buy the Xiao ESP32C3 over Lazada or Shopee. Even though the price is cheap, it does not hurt to make further comparison. The purchase and delivery experience is usually hassle-free. Other items, such as jumper wire, data cable, and breadboard, can be easily purchased over the electronics component stores. For those who are unfamiliar, you can go to Sim Lim Tower. I recommend you to use a Windows laptop to download the Arduino software. You can go to this official website to download the software. This is how we pull the parts together. This is the schematics of the ESP32C3. We connect the wires from the LCD screen to the ESP32C3 here. This tutorial is a proof of concept for a home-based smartwatch. It is meant as a confidence booster for those who want to get started with creating their own smartwatch. Please do not use this for any publication or research without prior consent. If you need help in research and consulting, reach out to me. I provide pro bono consulting on a case-by-case basis. I thank you for your time. Follow the YouTube channel to get update. Like and share to support good content. Goodbye everyone.